Hello, my name's Tim Stone. I'm the Marketing Director for Collaboration here in Europe, Middle East and Africa for Cisco Systems. And today I'd like to talk to you about some groundbreaking technologies that will really shape the industry over the coming years around the new virtual workspace. So let me explain a little bit more about what we're talking about here. What we've heard from customers is that there's an increasing demand to run a virtual desktop environment. In fact, the analysts are projecting that within a couple of years, around 15% of desktops will become virtualized. And some of the main reasons for that are around data security and integrity, compliance, business continuity, and also a reduction in the total cost of ownership in running a virtual desktop versus having to maintain and run many thousands of PCs in an enterprise environment. But some of the challenges in running virtual desktop historically have been that customers have often felt that they're their own systems integrator. So many fragmented solutions that need to come together to build a virtual desktop environment. And they've also found that they haven't been able to run the rich media applications that their end users are demanding. So things like instant messaging, web conferencing, real-time voice and video in a virtualized environment. And that's really what we're here to talk about today, is our ability here at Cisco to bring these two worlds together in one integrated architecture. So the workspace of the future will provide all of these rich media collaboration tools, however, across any device, be it a PC, a Mac, any of the mobile devices that we have, but increasingly in a virtual desktop environment or thin client environment. And that's really what we're talking about here, is the ability to bring the worlds of collaboration and virtual desktop together in an integrated virtual workspace. Now, if you look at the market itself, we're hearing from customers that there's going to be an explosion in the use of video. More than 70% of customer executives in a recent survey that we conducted said that they will increase their use of video in the next 2 years. 34% of executives today record business videos on a daily basis. We can also see that desktops will become video enabled increasingly over the next 5 years. In fact, Gartner estimates that up to 50% of desktops will become video enabled within 5 years. And against that backdrop, we're also seeing that by 2014, there will be around 70 million virtual desktop environments, or 15% of the enterprise, as I say, in the next couple of years. And the sort of customers who have been asking us to bring these environments together are universities, where they want to support many thousands of students in their environments, plus also give access to web conferencing tools, for example. Call center agent outsources, where agents are working in the Far East or in Asia Pacific, and they want to keep all of the data integral and secure in their data centers, but also give the call center agents a single thin client, not only for customer records, but also to run their voice and web interactions with customers. We've also seen financial institutions who are increasingly under a lot of compliance and regulation issues. And they're also wanting to expose these rich media tools to their employees. So those are the kind of areas that we can see a lot of interest. So when you read the press release, you'll see that there's a number of specific technologies that are a part of this announcement that we're making today. New endpoints around our VXI solutions, which offer these rich media capabilities and thin client environments in one single device. And this can be a dedicated device, or also it could run on an existing laptop itself. We've also delivering some new WAS capabilities, so that's wide area acceleration optimization for Citrix Zen Desktop. And we've also been building a complete architecture by adding additional capabilities into both our security area and our data center area, so that we can secure these environments and also provide performance enhancements with less hardware in our data center environments to accelerate these VDI environments. But it doesn't stop there. We've also been doing a lot of work around building validated designs and also building a ecosystem of partners who can actually deliver these solutions and are working with Cisco around some of these designs. So, for example, on the design side, we've been working very closely with VMware and Citrix in this area, but also a growing partner ecosystem with companies like NetApp, EMC, AppSense, Microsoft, McAfee, and many, many others that you will see on the website associated with this video on demand. So in summary, one of the major trends in the market is around virtual desktop. The second major trend is really around collaboration. It's one of the key growth areas over the coming few years. And increasingly, these two major trends are intersecting at the desktop. And Cisco's new virtual workspace solutions really enable customers to deploy rich media applications in this virtual desktop environment. So I'd urge you to please engage with the local teams here at Cisco, and also have a look at the press release and the other content on the website to get more detail about some of these new products and technologies that we're bringing to market. Thanks very much for listening.